Hi everyone, now we are going to discuss about the transportation of carbon dioxide. Already in last class we learned about how oxygen is transported in our body, transportation of oxygen. Now we are going to discuss about transportation of carbon dioxide. What is carbon dioxide? Where does it is formed? Carbon dioxide is one type of excretory material, excretory substance. It is need to send outside the body. It is one type of excretory material, so that whatever it forms in our tissues, it need to sending. How it is sending? How it in the process of respiration, in the process of breathing, we are exhale carbon dioxide in outside the body. But how from tissues to alveoli, tissues to lung, this carbon dioxide is transport in our body. It is transportation of carbon dioxide from tissues to lungs. How it is transport? Through with the medium is blood. Through with blood it transport from tissues to lungs, lungs to outside the body, atmosphere. Okay, but here the carbon dioxide transport in our body, it forms in our tissues, it transport in our body within three forms. One is, okay, first carbon dioxide, formation of carbon dioxide in our tissues. It need to transport from tissues to blood. It enter into the blood to heart or alveoli, nothing but we can call lungs to atmosphere. This is the way. From that mean the carbon dioxide is formed in our tissues nothing but in our organs or cells. That carbon dioxide, it is transport not in gaseous form, it dissolved in blood, in plasma, dissolved in blood or plasma, it transport within three forms in our body. What are they? The first one is it transport dissolved carbon dioxide, dissolved way in plasma, carbon dioxide, dissolved carbon dioxide. Okay. Second one is carboamino acid. In the form of carboamino acid, it is traveling, it is what transport in our body. Third way, very important, in the form of bicarbonates. That means the carbon dioxide is traveled in our body in the form of dissolved carbon dioxide, in the form of carboamino acids, and in the form of bicarbonates. The first one is dissolved carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is moving in our body, dissolved carbon dioxide. Only 7% of carbon dioxide. Actually, in deoxygenated blood, I'm saying what? Deoxygenated, not oxygenated. That means whatever formed in our tissues. In deoxygenated blood, 100 ml of blood, 53 ml of blood is deoxygenated. That means it is carbon dioxide is more in that blood, 53%. In that 53 ml, 7% of carbon dioxide, that means very less percentage. It dissolved in plasma, very less. Only 7% of carbon dioxide is what? Transported with what? Plasma. In dissolved form. The carbon dioxide transported with plasma only 7%. How it is? H2O. That means whatever it react with water molecule and forms carbonic acid. In dissolved form, it will be traveled through with what? Blood only, especially for how much of percentage? Only 7%. Very less carbon dioxide is transported with what? Dissolved carbon dioxide through with plasma. Okay, it diffuses from tissues and combined with water molecule and forms what? Carbonic acid, and again when it is enter into the nearby alveoli, is again reverse reaction. That means it is carbonic acid divided into CO2 plus H2O. CO2 diffuses into alveoli. Okay, only that means what I am telling here, in dissolved form, only 7% of carbon dioxide is transported with plasma. The carbon dioxide, it is directly not transported, it is dissolved in water and forms carbonic acid, and through with plasma, it is entered into the plasma, it is sending into the alveoli like carbonic acid. Carbonic acid is deassociated at the region of alveoli, and carbon dioxide is diffuses into the lungs or alveoli. Okay, this is the first way. That means this is the first form of carbon dioxide. That is the form of carbon dioxide with like carbonic acid, dissolved in carbon dioxide, dissolved carbon dioxide. Second one, especially for carboamino acid. Carboamino acid, the form of carboamino acid. That means in RBC, hemoglobin is there, Hb. The carbon dioxide from tissues, it reacts with hemoglobin and forms what? Carbonic acid, H2CO3. Sorry, H2, HB, HbCO2. This is what? Carboamino acid. Generally, hemoglobin, whatever hemoglobin is in the RBC, the affinity of oxygen and carbon dioxide, if carbon dioxide pressure is more, especially in tissues, it forms carbon dioxide. So that carbon dioxide pressure is more in tissues. So that it is what? Affinity with hemoglobin, it's saturated with hemoglobin and forms carboamino acid. Okay. If carboamino acid in lungs, it is diffuses, carbon dioxide diffuses into lungs. Okay, hemoglobin is remaining in blood. Okay, that means in second form it is moving or it is transport in our blood like carboamino acid, as carboamino acid. In first form, it will be travel, it will be transport in our blood like dissolved carbon dioxide in plasma. In RBC, whatever hemoglobin is there, it is combined with hemoglobin and form carboamino acids. And third way, very important. Okay, in carboamino acid, how much percentage of carbon dioxide is traveled like carboamino acids? Only 23%. See there, 7% of dissolved carbon dioxide, 23% of what? Carboamino acids. That means 30. Remaining 70% is there. Remaining 70%. This remaining 70% of carbon dioxide travel like bicarbonates. Especially this reaction occurs in erythrocytes, RBC. For example, I will draw one small diagram. Okay, not diagram. This is RBC. For example, RBC cell. RBC. The carbon dioxide is diffuses and react with water molecules and forms H2CO3. What is carbonic acid? Carbonic acid. This carbonic acid dissociate and forms H plus HCO3 minus. HCO3 minus, what is that one? That is ions, especially negative ions, nothing but bicarbonates. These, when this reaction is going on, the bicarbonates are increasing in RBC, so that some of the bicarbonates are diffuses outside the RBC, erythrocytes. It is entered into the plasma, which is enters RBC. HCO3 minus ions are diffuses into plasma. These HCO3 ions diffuses into the plasma, and what happened here? Ionic balance is imbalanced, so that whatever chloride ions is there, the chloride ions are enters The chloride ions are enter into the RBC. Why? Because equilibrium. Need to, both are negative forms, negative ions. What will be happen in outside? What will be happen? The negative ions, the whatever negative ions enter into the outside of the RBC. So that what will be happen actually imbalanced in both cells, in plasma, in outside the plasma, whatever in RBC, in plasma, ionic imbalance is formed, so that the chloride ions is moving inward, inside, for ionic balance, that is we can call chloride shift, or Hamburg phenomena. Okay, Hamburg shifting also we can call, or Hamburg shifting or chloride shift. Why? Because chloride is shifting from plasma to RBC. Why? Because whatever bicarbonates are formed in RBC, it is moving outside the RBC. For example, 10 bicarbonates are moving from RBC to plasma. 10 chloride ions are moving, whatever negative charges, both are negative charges. That's why, okay, for ionic balance, some are coming outside the RBC, some are going inside the RBC. Chloride ions are moving inside the RBC. This shifting is going on. That is we can call chloride shift from plasma to RBC. Here, whatever hydrocarbons, HCO3 minus ions, it is react with what sodium and potassium ions and forms sodium bicarbonates. And through with plasma, sodium bicarbonates are traveling. Sodium bicarbonates are transport in blood. Sodium bicarbonate or potassium bicarbonates. Okay, potassium bicarbonate. That means whatever hydrocarbons or bicarbonates are enter into the plasma, it react with sodium or potassium and forms sodium bicarbonate or potassium bicarbonate. That means the carbon dioxide is what forms sodium or potassium bicarbonate. It travel in plasma, sodium or potassium bicarbonate, it deassociation in lungs, in alveoli, in the region of alveoli. Again, carbon dioxide is moving outward the body. Okay, that means how much of carbon dioxides are transported like bicarbonates means what? 70% of carbon dioxide is moving outside the body. That means traveling in our blood like bicarbonate. 70%. That most of the carbon dioxide is traveling like bicarbonates only. So that, okay, the carbon dioxide, transportation of carbon dioxide is three forms. One is as dissolved carbon dioxide, as carboamino acids only 23%, and bicarbonates, as a bicarbonates it transport in our blood 70% of carbon dioxide. Okay, thank you.